welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club, and we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge and episode number 79.
Yes. Yeah. We are on episode
79 or 80.
79. We did 78 last.
Yeah.
This is episode number 79. And what are we going to draw today?
Today we are going to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch.
Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. So we are going to learn how to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. A very easy step-by-step drawing of Stitch. We'll be using a black sketch pen, a white paper and few colors. Let's get started.
First let's start with the eyes.
Yes.
No, the nose.
Okay, the nose.
The eyes are not fully round.
Yes. Yeah. The face shape is a little different. Be very careful about it.
Yeah.
It's a little flat
At the bottom.
at the bottom. And it goes all the way like this. Yeah. Okay. That's the face. Let's make the body. This is gonna be a very easy one. And if you stay with us till the end of the video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment of what did you like about the drawing and what do you want us to draw next. You can win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club.
What are you drawing the hands?
Okay. Now the legs. This is a fast one. Yes, Parikshit? Now the ears. Long, big, ears.
Be very careful with the ear shape also.
Yes, that's easy. It's actually very easy. And I'm done with the drawing of Stitch. You are done too, Parikshit?
Almost. Why didn't you draw with the Sharpie today? Papa, why didn't
This works better.
But the colors will get mixed up. Can you wait, please?
Okay, let's wait for Parikshit. And by the time we wait for Parikshit, do make sure if you are following us with the drawing and you are also drawing one for yourself, share it with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club, and you can win some exciting surprises from Parikshit once again and Kids Fun Learn Club.
Yeah.
Okay, Parikshit has moved forward. He asked us to wait. And he has already jumped on to the next level. That's bad.
That's not bad.
We don't have the exact colors that we should be using. That's why we are using some different colors.
If you have the right colors, you can color them. I'm going to use some royal blue. Royal blue is not very nice.
We'll be using two colors, okay?
What?
I think we should be using this color.
What?
Yes. It looks perfect.
You only have one of that color.
Do the pink one. Color with the pink color.
The light is pink.
The ears, yeah.
We don't have light pink.
Whatever pink you have.
It's kind of maroonish. I don't know. This looks perfect. You know one thing?
What's
I'm
that?
also doing the coloring. But I'm doing the coloring with royal blue.
Okay. Okay. Now, what color do I need? Do I need the pink color? Let's look. Okay, you got your color?
Yeah.
It looks good.
Rock vanilla. This one. Yeah, this one looks red. I use light blue also.
Okay, I'm done with the drawing of Stitch. Are you done yet?
No.
Yes, if yes, then do not forget to share it with us on Instagram. As I said, all will be ready. And you need to do not to forget, you need to tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. I hope you're enjoying the 6 minutes challenge. We are almost towards the end of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge on day number 80 and 20 more days to go to finish up this drawing.
No, number 79.
No, this was episode number 80. No, okay, this was episode number 70. We will be going to 79. We will be going to the number 80 drawing tomorrow. And what are we going to draw tomorrow?
Lila. Lilo.
Lila? So, Lila or Lilo?
Lilo.
Lilo.
Yeah, mine is also done.
Super. We're done with this drawing. See you in the next drawing. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.